everybody. Today we're going to a top secret location.
Thank you, Grandma, for watching the boys.
And I want to thank my father-in-law for the race trailer. We have our Wildcat and our buddy's RZR in there.
Just going for a rip.
Whoa. I told everybody I was going to a top secret location in the intro. Where are we?
We're at Camp Carson.
Sweet.
In the middle of the bush.
What's it called? Tree Hill?
No. This one's not named yet because we haven't, nobody's finished it. Still making it. Put a disclaimer at the beginning, like private property.
Yeah.
I paid for these trees.
Yeah, yeah. Is it private property?
It's private property.
Okay, good. You have mud on your face? Put it around. Let's see your back.
Rev limiter! Ah! That wasn't enough.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, you said that was good.
Are you impressed the RZR climbed that?
That was pretty cool.
Yeah. The viewers want to know more about the Super Duty.
It's not a Super Duty. It's just, well, it's half of a Super Duty grill now. It's a 96 Ranger with Super Duty axles and all that, 42s.
I'll have to look in my email for the actual.
Everybody keeps saying to put a V8 in it, and I'm trying really hard not to.
You should walk around and show them some of the character features of it.
Oh yeah, the aerodynamic golf ball effect. No, the doors are good. Everybody says they don't open. They open fine. It's the... Not that time. They always close. They've never been bungee corded closed. Other than that, I don't know. It's
Leaf springs in the back?
leaf springs in the back. 3 links in the front, over eyes.
In the back, still medieval fab.
Yep. Bunch of stuff that everybody says doesn't work and is not good enough. No, that's not a thing. It's like the car shows, you just gotta stand. Yeah. It's got enough cage in it to not hurt yourself. At least I haven't hurt myself yet. It's 5 years so far of putting it together and finding it.
Hospital, please.
4 liter, running on all cylinders.
Today, yesterday, it decided that it wanted to go intermittent.
I'm sure if I was clean, but like if I was a cleaner.
Once we put oil back in it, it was good. Tried out the new nitrous shot for the first time and it didn't explode, so that's all plus.
Whoa.
Oh, help me! Push it! Okay, we're going back with it. I'm done.
It's just like a little tip.
Maybe you could tell us what's about to happen.
All good stuff?
All good things.
All good things. Alright.
Pin it to win it. It's obvious that that turn was made with pure talent.
Nothing but skill.
Any advice for people at home?
Put rear steer on your truck. Don't have a 14-foot wheelbase.
Tree pivots for the win?
Yeah, tree pivots work good.
What's that? You need a spotter?
No.
You are where you are.
Am I going the right way?
You know the rules. Don't ask questions. Just do it.
Can you pull that stick out then?
Oh. There's a stick in your engine. Ah.
You were still moving! You should have kept on it!
Move the front tire over here.
Ole mole!
We're gonna back up and we're gonna go again.
Okay.
I mean, we're not gonna back up on our own. We're going. We had the Bronco and the obstacle that was
He
impenetrable.
just couldn't wait. You know Cody, he gets all lined up for something. He's just got to give her.
Camp Carson is awesome. We had a blast, and I think you guys need to click that like and subscribe button if you want to see more videos of that place.